Welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is your first time of visiting here. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I release a new content. So right here, I want to teach you how to turn $5 to $50,000 per month. M15 V75 scalping strategy. Deriv book I don't want you to know. Okay, now I will take you to here. First of all, make sure you are in the M15 time frame. Once you are in the M15 time frame, you are actually waiting for double top to be found towards very close to the top of the screen here. Okay, we're actually looking for sell signal. Once it forms, then don't trade the ranging mode. Allow the market to break out into downtrend, which is here. Once it breaks out of the support level, like here, and then it retests it. On retest, look for a bearish candle that is forming and sell. You are going to put your stop loss at the top of this double bottom because its price will not get back there. Okay, remember you have a $5 account, so you have to know the number of positions and the losses you are going to use. Try to know how to control your margin. Now, how do you make more entries? You wait for a retest, like a retest towards the previous low. Most of the time they will not reach it, but you will discover that from the price action. Once you know that there is the dead momentum, there is reduction in volume towards the retracement, doing the retracement, then you know that the retracement has ended. You are going to sell. Like here, you have to sell. If you want to learn more about how to get a buy signal, if you want to learn how to trade V75 and become a millionaire, enroll for V75 millionaire course and change your life. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.